Precision upgrade kits are bringing new technology to your existing machine without trading machines. In our sprayer program for profile, we have the ability to add ExactApply, Individual Nozzle Control Pro, BoomTrac Pro 2, boom extensions, product reclaim and recirculation, and See & Spray. A newer offering for our precision upgrade kits for sprayers is our See & Spray Premium option. Utilizing your existing 100-foot or 120-foot steel boom, the precision upgrade kit comes with the cameras and the harnessing to utilize that green-on-green technology spraying, where we can go out and do a broadcast application and then also come back and do a spot spray with our See & Spray technology. Utilizing See & Spray technology, we're able to target the weed and not target the crop, thus reducing input costs by saving chemical and time. A lot of our customers wonder what the difference between See & Spray Premium and See & Spray Ultimate is. The See & Spray Premium Precision Upgrade Kit is going to be the cameras on a steel boom, 100-foot or 120-foot, using that spot spray and See & Spray technology. The Ultimate system is going to be a split tank with a carbon fiber boom that allows you to do a broadcast and a spot spray on one application. Our See & Spray Premium Upgrade Kit is going to be a spot spray or a broadcast spray through two different passes. This Precision Upgrade Kit allows you to bring See & Spray Premium technology of that spot spray or broadcast to your existing 100 or 120-foot boom ExactApply machine. In addition to our Precision Upgrade Kit portfolio for sprayers is the ability to add boom extensions. If you have a 90 or 100-foot boom and you desire to have a 120-foot boom, that is also available through Precision Upgrade Kits, where you get a new inner boom, outer boom, and breakaway section to replace your existing booms on your sprayer. BoomTrac Pro 2 is a part of our Precision Upgrade Kits for sprayers. It's going to allow you to maintain that target height for your spray accuracy and perform the best spray job available. As you see here, BoomTrac Pro 2, we now have different sensors. We've also added an IMU sensor to the rear frame to help with chassis rolls. So this system gives you better boom height performance and better boom height control in comparison to our original BoomTrac. So original BoomTrac with our silver sensors, our BoomTrac Pro 2 has these black sensors. These sensors are able to maintain a spray target 22% with more accuracy than our original. So the importance of that is as you're spraying, maintaining that boom height. So your spray nozzle tip and the angle it's going to provide, as well as your chemical and the drift possibilities you have out of that, and maintaining that proper boom height over your crop or to the ground. Our boom height control and BoomTrac Pro 2 is going to give us that ability to maintain that target and keep that accuracy better. BoomTrac Pro 2 is an option for precision upgrade kits for sprayers. It's a factory option on 22 and newer machines, and it can be retrofitted back to our 2018 machines to replace our original BoomTrac system, as well as a machine that has an original BoomTrac system going back to 2018. It can be added as that precision upgrade kit to 2018 or newer. Another great precision upgrade offering for your sprayer is product reclaim and pressure recirculation. So at the beginning of the day, if you need to prime your boom, you can utilize the pressure recirculation to prime your boom completely without spraying anything out. So no chemical loss at the beginning of the day, making sure you have a good primed boom, so that way when you take off right away, you're having chemical come out of all portions of the boom. Product reclaim at the end of the day is going to allow us to use air to force that chemical through the booms and back into the solution tank. So at the end of the day, with ExactApply or Individual Nozzle Control Pro, when you need to run a boom rinse for cleanliness, we can reclaim all that product out of the boom and make sure it ends up back in the solution tank. Again, this is a precision upgrade kit, so whether you own an existing ExactApply machine or Individual Nozzle Control Pro, you can add the pressure recirculation and reclaim to it, as well as if you are adding ExactApply as a precision upgrade kit, we can go ahead and add that product reclaim and pressure recirculation to it at the same time. If you do product reclaim, even if you do have a ExactApply machine, you still get all new boom plumbing. So on a conventional machine, your sections feed into the middle, and you can see here where we have our reclaim and recirculation lines, how they feed through the end. So that's how we're getting that circuit of getting our solution back into the tank, or making sure all of our sections are all plumbed together for our pressure recirculation. Adding on to this, with the recommendation of ExactApply being rinsed every night to help promote cleanliness and contamination, product reclaim and pressure recirculation is going to allow you to save 30 to 50 gallon of chemical on your prime, as well as your reclaim at the end of the day. So using the product reclaim at the end of the day, when you have a boom full of chemical, you can run that product reclaim it back into the tank, and then using your automated rinse system with your automatic solution controls, we can run that boom only rinse. So it'll pull from the rinse tank, bypassing the solution tank to run and rinse the boom and rinse these ExactApply nozzles. And then the next morning, you can also run that pressure recirculation to go ahead and get our boom completely primed and ready to go without utilizing and wasting any extra chemical. If you're wanting to reduce input costs, cover more acres in a day, or be more efficient with your sprayer, the portfolio of precision upgrade kits for your sprayer will have a solution for you and your operation. Reach out to your local Hutson salesman or precision upgrade specialist if you have any more questions.